Now I got a new camera. He's
Soothing.
also our videographer.
ASMR channel. You're supposed to do it slower. My bad. I have another part. Welcome to my ASMR.
It's zoomed way on your face.
It's amazing.
Already, this IKEA experience is great.
Where'd the microwave go?
I don't know. Oh, by the way, we're putting together IKEA furniture.
Welcome to How to Build IKEA Furniture.
Vex edition.
Tembi. Take it
What?
away, Tembi.
No!
Facts exposed. It's just IKEA in disguise.
It's just, we're
it's
actually
not-
building IKEA furniture and calling us Vex. We actually have no association whatsoever with Vex. We just build IKEA furniture. I mean, oh.
This video is brought to you by IKEA. IKEA, please
I like
sponsor
your
us.
food. Your food's good.
The food's good. There's meatballs.
It is. I used to go there every
roll-
Tuesday
The
to
robot
get
is just a
the
rolling
cheap
cupboard.
kids.
Only on Tuesdays, though.
Only on Tuesday. One goes here.
In collaboration with IKEA and Lego.
We got the 2-for-1 bonus deal. Wait, why am I putting it on now? I don't put
Double
it
the sponsorships, double the money.
Double
Hey guys, spoiler alert. Lego actually owns IKEA.
Oh, really?
Nice.
Plot twist.
I want to see the new
a big
Lego IKEA sets.
Build your own
You
conglomerate.
gotta use real tools made out of Lego.
You just screw together Lego pieces.
Start hammering Lego pieces together. It'll work eventually.
Yeah, my chair is made of Lego pieces. It's very comfortable.
It's extremely comfortable. Ow.
It's so in right now.
I got my new IKEA Lego carpet, so oh, that's amazing. Ow.
Lego carpet.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Who put
Comfort never hurts so much.
On the Lego.
You're ruining the vibe, man.
Do you like stepping on Legos? Well, introducing the Lego carpet.
Brought to you by IKEA. No one else would buy our stuff, so Lego offered.
Brought to you by Microsoft.
But wait, it's not called the IKEA carpet. It has to be something in Swedish, of course.
Yeah, it's called.
It's called what?
It's called Carpet and Hoyman.
Is that not on upside down? So that you could actually read the letters?
Oh, upside down, you can't see.
Just
Just look. I'm trying to use because these are hex. So I gave up.
Oh wait, it's the other way
One
around.
second,
You can use
I forgot my lines.
Just go to the hex. Go to the star.
Okay, back to the unboxing challenge.
Do you even know where that goes? Do you even know where that goes? I mean,
he refuses to comment.
Watch it. It's supposed to be there.
We gotta close the ASMR here.
Got some ASMR. Zoom in on Tembi's face while you. Welcome back to my ASMR.
Oh, it's out of focus.
God. Why is it out of focus on my ASMR channel? Please leave a like. Subscribe. Turn on notifications because YouTube doesn't work. For a
Oh,
small price of
you
just-
criticized YouTube demonetized.
Dang it! Not again. How am I supposed to pay rent? I can't buy food without monetization. I know how
live
big
at
my
your
feels.
parents' house. You don't have to pay rent.
I do. They charge per night. per room.
not suffocate the cameraman.
Found an orange
Or
steer.
else the
We
cameraman.
can't replace him again.
Again. What happened to the last one? I wasn't here.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
The last one, we don't talk about him.
Wait, but you're the cameraman.
What? No.
No witnesses.